So in this beginner-friendly tutorial, I will be showing you how to make your bushy eyebrows with 4 simple and easy to get beauty products. First on the list is brow brush. This one is from the Stope. I bought 15 pieces of them at £6.50 on Amazon. And for the purpose of this video, I will be using the Davies eyeliner and lip liner pencil with vitamin A and E. You can find it on Amazon at 30p, I think. And then the LA Gay Pro Concealer High Definition. This is in medium beige, and then the arch brush for carving the brow. So let's get into it. At least I like to go in with my brow brush and just brush my brows in an upward motion, and do so with both brows, and then line them in an asymmetric fashion. And then I go in with my pencil. So what I do is I carelessly draw a line underneath the base and go upward with the same light strokes. Depends on how dark you want your brows, and that's it. And I repeat the same with the left brow. And because this is a blunt brow, I'm not going to go all defined or methodically with my brushes. So I just go underneath with this, and that's it. One stroke is usually enough, because like I said, you're not trying to get it to be so perfect. That being done, you can let it sit, or you can go directly in. I go with my art brush and I just part and try to get a clean line. The purpose of this liner here for me is to get a neat line between my eyes and my eye socket. And once that's done, I will move on to the final touches of this. The final touches for me usually depends on how I am feeling. It could be just to brush it again in an upward motion and then leave it, because that's it. That's really it. Or if I'm feeling, then I might going, which happens very rarely, I might going with my mascara. There's no product on it. So what I do is I just go in, and like I said, there's no products, you see, and I just tap, brush, upward motion, and then curve them, brush, upward motion, make it smooth. That is it. That is it. No kidding. That's it. That's it. See? My brows are done. They look nice, if I say so myself. And that's it. No stress. The difference between these brows, like I said, is they do make your face pop because they're bolder, but they're bushy. They also give off a very natural look, you see. That's what those bushy brows do. Natural, bolder. Who doesn't like natural and bolder? But that's the end of this video. If you want to see more videos like this, do let me know in the comment section. And do not forget to like my video, share my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications, because I post new videos every Thursday. So like my video, share it, and I will be seeing you in my next video. Okay, stay safe and stay sassy and gorgeous. I love you. See you.